In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple languages in Google Ads. This is a handy feature, especially if you're targeting audiences in different countries or speaking various languages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to adjust your campaigns to be more inclusive and reach a broader audience. So let's dive in first. Let's start by heading over to Google Ads. This is your hub for all online advertising and where you can start drawing in more customers and boosting those sales numbers. Once you've reached the Google Ads homepage, the next step is to sign in. Make sure you have your Google account details ready. If you come across any sign-in issues, double check your password or try resetting it using Google's account recovery options. Once you're signed in, head straight to the Google Ads home. This is the command center for all your advertising campaigns, reports and settings. Getting familiar with this interface will be immensely helpful as you continue to build and manage your campaigns. Now let's move on to the campaign section. You'll find this option in the main menu to the left of your screen. Clicking on campaigns will show you a list of all the advertising campaigns you've launched or are currently managing. This is where the magic happens for setting up your language preferences. Next, you'll want to click on settings. This is found within the campaign section and is crucial for customizing your ad campaigns. Here you have the flexibility to adjust various elements of your campaigns to better suit your target audience and marketing goals. Within the settings menu, you need to look for the languages option. This is where you'll be able to add or modify the languages your ads will be targeting. By selecting multiple languages, your ads can reach users who prefer or are more comfortable with languages other than the default one. This small change can greatly affect the reach and performance of your campaigns, especially in multilingual regions. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. It's always good practice to review your settings to ensure everything is aligned perfectly with your campaign objectives. And that's it, you have successfully set up your Google Ads account to target multiple languages. As you continue to manage your campaigns, regularly check your performance metrics to see how these changes impact your audience engagement. Adapting to the nuances of regional and language preferences can set you apart in the competitive world of online advertising. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering online advertising. Until next time, happy advertising.